This one's next. Well, let's see. Oh, baby. There we go. Of course, this car here, it's tune port injector or whatever the fuck you want to call it, electronic fuel injection. So it doesn't really matter about it. So it says 79 degrees. Somebody's pulling my leg here. The air conditioner does work pretty nice in this car. It's one of those cars that we never ran in the wintertime. Always kept it nice, always did maintenance on it. Of course, I don't like to rip on it no more because it does funny things. It's got a 4-cylinder shutdown mode on it, and I think it's malfunctioning because if you really rip on this car, it will it'll blow the ends of the spark plugs off, and it'll either do 2 cylinders at a time and shut down and leave you sitting, or it'll do one and it'll just miss really bad because the other 7 have to carry that dead cylinder. After you get it going though, it's fine, but when you slow down like a stop sign or something, it'll stall out. So it's got that famous Hemi tick that all these cars get, all these Hemi engines are getting. Here we are. I gotta be careful going down through here. I have a couple deer. My dad's been feeding the deer, and they have their own little trail. They're creatures of habit just like us, so they will run a trail every day because they know there's food there, and they will definitely remember that same trail. So sometimes they come across the road there, and right down below my dad's house they come across the road. I've almost hit them a time or two, and it's right around I guess what they call dusk, from when it's the late evening. And they'll come in, they'll eat down here in my dad's backyard, and then they go down in the woods and they run across the road. It's like when they hear any kind of movement, they run across the road because they're smart that way. But anywho, here we go with car number 2. The mailman's here. I should say mail lady. Alright, so here's this turd. It'll only wrap up somewhere. Oh no, it's 80 degrees now. No, you know how that goes. Next.